Hi guys, Crash Dummy 556 here, and today I'm going to show you how to build a nice little starter house for um, your world. Um, I accidentally took some screenshots. So yeah, basically, first what you're gonna do is take some oak logs. It can be any logs actually. It doesn't matter, and you can just use stripped logs instead, and uh, yeah, basically put this one here, then 2 blocks apart put another one, and then 3 blocks apart put another one. This is put the logs in logs. I meant put planks in the middle of them, and then count 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then put another log here, here, and here, and also connect these. Fill this in, and also connect these and fill them in. Then you do 4 logs up on these 4 that are 3 apart, and 1 up on this. Then take your planks and put them here. Destroy this one for the door, and put a upside down stair here. Build this out so you can make the window. Uh, make this also here a window, and build this one out too and make it a window, and this is the last one, window. Put the door like this. um Fill this up to the top, and then we're going to make the stairs. So basically put cobblestone stairs around and build it up like this. It may be a bit hard to do in survival, but I managed to do it multiple times, so yeah. And like that. This one out and build it up. Now this is the end of the cobblestone part. Now we just take some oak stairs and build it like this. Yeah, so this. Alright, now we're done with the uh, roof. All we need to do is just grab some oak fences and slabs and fill the slabs in here and put the fences here. And now one optional thing we can do is we can take a cobblestone and build it 2 blocks out, some cobblestone slabs. Then take, so we can make like a roof for the terrace, and put this on. Put some stairs right here for a nice entrance. Then put blocks here and here. Put window here, 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 window here. And yeah, we are done basically. That's all for today's video. Uh, if you guys liked it, if please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.